Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your country in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it usually opens up in the feed, where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we swipe to the right, then scroll down in this list and find settings and settings and support at the bottom. We tap on this. Then in this toggle list we find settings and privacy. We tap on that. Then at the top of this list we find your account. If we tap on this, then here we can just follow on by account information. And then at the middle of the list we find country. If we tap on this, we can just select any country or country where we live. And yeah, you just tap on it and then it's going to change. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.